अल्लाह ने बनाया था कुछ भी नहीं से, तो हमारी बिगिनिंग हो गई. लेकिन we have to have an end, obviously. Our time on earth will come to an end at some point. But I was going to ask, is there a time limit on our time in heaven? Will that time come to an end?
You see, the concept of time is beyond our comprehension in the hereafter, right? So even if there is limited time in the eyes of Allah Ta'ala, but it is unlimited for us. We cannot say when it's going to end. In relative terms, we don't know. Allah Ta'ala कहता है, my one day is equal to 50,000 years. Another place it says, my one day is equal to 1,000 years. And if you multiply them, it is billions of years. So in relative terms, we don't know when that time is going to end. तो इसलिए हमें नहीं पता. लेकिन अल्लाह की नज़र में वो टाइम लिमिट है, but it is beyond our comprehension. ठीक है?